Mastering the phrase overtake in English. Hello, language enthusiasts. Today, we're diving deep into the world of English phrases, and the one we're tackling is overtake. By the end of this video, you'll not only know its meaning, but also how to use it seamlessly in conversations. Let's get started. Overtake is a verb and, at its core, it means to catch up with and then go past someone or something that is moving. Imagine you're driving on a highway. If a car behind you speeds up, catches up to you, and then passes you, it overtakes you. It's that simple. While overtake is commonly used in the context of vehicles and racing, its meaning can be extended to various scenarios. 1. Business. If Company A was previously leading in sales but then Company B starts selling more and takes the top position, you could say, Company B overtook Company A in sales. 2. Emotions. If someone suddenly feels very strong emotions, you might hear, anger overtook him, meaning anger consumed or dominated him. 3. Events or trends. If one trend becomes more popular than another, the trend for digital art has overtaken traditional art forms in recent years. 1. Overtake on the inside, outside. This phrase is used in racing, especially in car races or horse races, indicating where the overtaking is happening. 2. Overtaken by events. This means that the situation has changed so rapidly that previous plans or expectations are no longer relevant. There you have it, the comprehensive guide to understanding and using overtake in English. Remember, language is all about context, so the more you practice and listen to native speakers, the better you'll get at picking up nuances. We hope this video has been helpful, and we encourage you to overtake any challenges you face in your language learning journey. Until next time, happy learning!